It amazes me how many people don't check for traffic before crossing the street. How brainless are you to leave this right here? Really? Two cops. Huh. Hi, these two? Yeah, okay, wait.
This girl, I feel like myself.
I've been waiting 20 minutes. Chris R. R. Jay. Confirm. Thank you. Look at it. There you go. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Good night. Michael? Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, there you go. Have a good night. Thank you. Headlights. There you go. See? Mr. Self-absorbed, you're to take up the whole street. Now, BMW, what do you expect? He's gonna get stuck at that light anyway. He's saving, like, 20 seconds on his commute. Got it.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night. Thank you. Take care. Oh, really? Look out, look out, look out. Pedestrian, look out. She's on her phone, She's on her phone, just sauntering across, right in the middle of traffic, doesn't care, on the phone. These people are getting stupider, man, I'm telling you. She's FaceTiming her friend, walks out in front of cars. No, go past. Go past. I want you in front. I don't want you behind me, I want you in front of me, so I can see what you're up to. I don't trust people driving at all. Good, even better. Let's go. Got another one lined up.
Okay, give me like 5 minutes.
Yeah. I'll wait. Thank you.
Nikhil.
What's that?
Nikhil.
Yeah, that's it. There you go. Have a good one. Thank you. Joys of having an e-bike punch list. Come on. Turn, please. Turn. Come on. You have the left lane open. Go, go, go. Come on. These people, they stop in the middle of the intersection, you know, rubbernecking. It's like, come on. Move along. And here comes another one. I can tell by the sound how fast they're going. Almost ran me over. There he goes. Walking with a kid, you know. You got families walking through here. This guy's speeding around like a maniac. No, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out. Be careful. You got people speeding through here like maniacs. They think they're, you know. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm just trying to make a living. You're like you are. It's all right. Okay, here's another one. Say, they can't wait. I'm gonna, right in the middle of the intersection, you know. You think to go through that one too? Yeah, he just went through it, you know. Stoplights don't apply to rich people. Use a turn signal.
Also make sure they gave you everything I ordered.
Good. Delivered.